Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all for my Aniruddha tutorials. In my previous class, I discussed about the mechanism of digestion. I discussed in the digestion in buccal cavity, digestion in stomach, digestion in intestine. In the intestine, so far I discussed about the digestion of carbohydrates and the proteins. In this class, the lipid digestion and the nucleic acid digestion will be discussed. Thank you for listening to my class. Digestion of lipids. Or fats. I told you that before the digestion of the lipids, emulsification of the fats has to occur. Before lipid digestion, emulsification of the fats should occur. It is very important. Without emulsification of the fats, there is no digestion of the fats. Okay, you know that emulsification of the fats occurs by the bile juice action. Bile juice action. Here I do want to discuss again the function of the bile juice. Bile juice. Functions are two. One is the emulsification of the fats, where, for example, it's a large fat molecule. Large fat molecule is been broken into the small globules are called as the micellae. Called as emulsification. This is one function of the bile juice. One more is bile juice is very essential for the activation of the lipases. I wrote lipases because the lipase is the enzyme present in the both pancreatic enzyme and also in the intestinal juice. Both lipases of the PJ, pancreatic juice, and the intestinal juice. Therefore, this question will be asked like this: what happens if the cystic duct is blocked or common bile duct is blocked in that person? Fat digestion will be stopped. Because for the occurrence of the fat digestion, emulsification is must. After emulsification only the fats are going to be digested, and one more function is for the digestion of the fats, the bile juice is very essential because bile juice is activating the lipases. Therefore, when the bile juice is not entering into the alimentary canal duodenum, there is no digestion of the fats. Fat digestion will be stopped. This is one application question. Therefore, these are functions of the bile juice, and now I am discussing about the digestion of the lipids. When the emulsification of fat is occurred, activation of the lipases also occurred, leads to the digestion of the fats. It is as follows. lipases or lipase enzyme works upon the micelle, I mean the emulsified fats, can be called as micelle. Emulsified fats are converted into the triglycerides. One. Again I take triglycerides again are digested in the presence of same lipase enzyme, activated lipase, into the diglycerides. Again, diglycerides digested in the presence of lipase enzyme into monoglycerides. Again, monoglycerides in the presence of same lipase enzyme into fatty acids and glycerol. This is all about the digestion of the fats. Okay, please. For the digestion of the fats, the thing is bile juice is very essential. Bile juice is the juice which is activating the lipase and also emulsification of the fats. After the emulsification of the fats, only the digestion of the lipids are going to work. Therefore, when these two things are happened, and the next one in the digestion process is lipase is converting the fats, emulsified fats, into the triglycerides, and then into diglycerides, and then into monoglycerides, and then monoglycerides are ultimately converted into the fatty acids and glycerol. This is all about the digestion of lipids. And last one is digestion of the nucleic acids. Digestion of the nucleic acids. I told you in my previous class that any nutrient is digested in the intestine, the first action is the pancreatic enzyme action. After the pancreatic enzyme action, intestinal juice enzyme is going to work. First enzymes are pancreatic enzymes, and the next enzymes are the intestinal enzymes. And now nucleic acids. First the DNA and RNA. These are nucleic acids. Nucleic acids. And the DNA and RNA, nucleic acids, are digested in the presence of the enzyme is the nuclease, commonly called as the nuclease. They are nucleases. Nucleus of the pancreatic juice, I write PJ, pancreatic juice nuclease. The nucleus of the DNA is the DNA H. This is the DNA H. Acts on DNA. RNA is on RNA. DNA is and RNA is. And these nucleic acids are converted into the nucleotides. nucleotides. Here I do want to tell you the meaning of nucleotide. See this. Nucleotide contain the nitrogen bases. Purines and pyrimidines are bound with maybe the double hydrogen bond or a triple hydrogen bond. If I take the guanine and cytosine, it's a triple hydrogen bond between the guanine and cytosine. And this is bonded with the deoxyribose sugar molecule. The bond between the nitrogen base and the sugar, I tell you now, this bond is called the glycoside bond. This is the glycosidic bond. Glycoside bond between the sugar molecule and the nitrogen base. I repeat, sugar molecule and the nitrogen base is the glycosidic bond. And one more. And this is a nucleoside. A nucleoside plus the phosphate group or phosphoric acid. This is the phosphate group. Phosphate group. And this bond is called as the phosphoester bond. Phosphoester bond. This is very important. And this is the meaning of one nucleotide. DNA or RNA are digested into the nucleotides because of the action of the DNase and the RNase. And the meaning of the nucleotide is the nitrogen base pair, sugar molecule, and the phosphate group. Between the nitrogen base and the sugar, it is a glycosidic bond. Between the sugar and the phosphoric acid phosphate group is the phosphoester bond. I write only phosphoester bond, not a phosphodiester bond. Please take care. And this is the first reaction. Second reaction is the nucleotides or a nucleotide is digested into the nucleoside. It's a nucleoside. In the presence of one enzyme is the nucleotidase. Nucleotidase is the enzyme of the intestinal juice. So I justified that. First enzymes working are pancreatic enzymes. Next working enzymes are the intestinal juice enzymes. IJ enzyme is the nucleotidase. When the nucleotide is broken or digested in the nucleoside, it is releasing the phosphate group. Therefore, this is the phosphate group which is released out. Therefore, my question is, name the enzyme that occurs in the nucleic acid digestion to release the phosphate group is the nucleotidase enzyme of intestinal juice, where that breaks the phosphoester bond. Name the enzyme that breaks the phosphoester bond is the nucleotidase enzyme. And one more, last one is, I take the nucleoside is digested by the enzyme in the nucleosidase enzyme. Look at here. Nucleosidase is the enzyme that is breaking the glycosidic bond. When the glycosidic bond is broken, releasing the sugar molecule is released out and forming the nitrogen base pair plus the sugar molecule. This is all about the digestion of the nucleic acid. I repeat once again. Name the enzyme that is involved in the digestion of the nucleic acids to release the nucleotides. Enzyme name is DNase and the RNase, totally called as the nuclease. Name the enzyme that breaks the glycosidic bond, that is the nucleotidase. Name the enzyme that dissolves or that breaks the phosphoester bond. That is the phosphoester bond is nucleotidase, and the glycoside bond is broken because of the nucleosidase. Again, name the enzyme that releasing the phosphate group from the nucleotide. This enzyme is nucleotidase. Name the enzyme that releasing sugar molecule in the nucleosidase. Therefore, the bond that breaks that phosphoester bond is the nucleotidase. That bond breaks the glycosidic bond in the nucleosidase. Ultimately, nitrogen base pairs are bound by the only hydrogen bond. They are easily hydrolyzed, releasing the purine and pyrimidine, adenine, guanine, thymine, and the cytosine. This is all about the digestion of nucleic acid. With this, I have discussed about the digestion of all the nutrients, the carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion, lipid digestion, and also the nucleic acid digestion. Last point, please bear me. Name the bond, name the enzyme that breaks the bond is phosphoester bond. Phosphoester bond is broken by the nucleotidase enzyme. Name the enzyme that breaks the glycoside bond in the nucleosidase. With this, I complete the digestion of the nutrients. Thanks for listening me, and I hope you understand my lesson. Thank you.